So the real power of spreadsheets is to use formulas. You can't just use them to store data, but when you use a formula, you're performing a calculation based on the values of the cells. So as an example, let's put the number 7 in cell B2 and number 5 in C2. And then in the next cell, in D2, we're going to enter a formula. You can add a formula here by clicking Insert, New Formula. You can do Insert and then choose Formula here and New Formula. Or you could just type the equals key, and this goes into formula entry mode right away. And you can see this little FX symbol there. That means you're entering a formula. And the basic formula format is to use cell references like B2 for cell B2 and then operations like a plus symbol for adding. So I'll do B2 plus C2. Now notice it filled in the color for B2 here and the cell B2 with the same color, blue, and did orange for C2 to make it very easy for me to see what I'm referring to. Now when I hit return or click the accept changes and close button, the little green checkmark button here, the formula will begin working and it will do the addition there and add 7 plus 5 and give me the result 12. It's important to note that the number 12 is not in this cell. If I were to double click it, it would open up the formula editor and I could see what's in the cell is the formula B2 plus C2. And what I see is the result of that formula. So it's not the physical number 12 in there, it is the formula that's in there, but I'm seeing the result of the formula. Now rarely will we ever type in cell names like B2 and C2. What we'll normally do is just use the cursor to refer to cells. So I'm going to hit the delete key to delete that formula. I'm going to start again by hitting equals, but instead of typing B2 I'm going to simply click the B2 cell. Since I'm in formula entry mode, I instantly get a reference to that cell. Notice I can click where the FX is there and I can drag this entry over here so I can get it out of the way. So now I can type plus and then I will click C2 and enter a formula like that. And I get the same result. Now here's the great thing about formulas. They automatically update. So I'm not going to change the formula. The formula is B2 plus C2. But I am going to go and change the value of B2. When I change it to 8 and hit return, notice that the result of the formula updates. So formulas are dynamic. They will keep doing their calculations as you make changes throughout the spreadsheet. And this is what gives us the real power of formulas in spreadsheets.